Hello all office executives, I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this video I'll be demonstrating that Excel can come in handy to generate multiplication table. So I am going to generate multiplication table of 12 and then move all the way across to, let me press in the bottom right corner, let me press control and drag all the way across to some range of cells, maybe 47. So I'll be just creating a multiplication table of this particular range of cells. So it's 1, and then we'll be going to the fill series section and just generate up to 10 fill, and then series, and then generate up to. So rows means vertical, rows means horizontally, while columns mean vertically. So I will be generating data from vertically, and I'll be giving the value up to 10. So now what I'll be doing is that I'll be selecting this range of cell, Ctrl Shift down arrow, to select the range of the cells and drag all the way across to the range of cells in where I have the values up to 42. We have also 45. So let me drag a little bit more up to 47. Let me make the screen a little bit smaller. So here we will be discussing a feature in Excel known by the name of paste special. So I will be copying this range of cells, Control Shift right arrow, Control C to copy the cells, and then we'll be having the data value in this particular cell of cells. So I am clicking on 1 and then move all the way across to the last cell, to the last column, 41, 43, 44, 46, and I'll be clicking Shift Control click. Didn't work. Shift click, it still didn't work. Fine. So click on the first cell and then shift and click. Now what I will be doing is that whenever 12 is being pasted over 1, the value is 12. 12 is pasted over 2, the value is 12. 12 is pasted over 3, the value is 12. But I will be taking the values into consideration, and the values would be taken into account, and then they will be multiplied. So I will be going to the paste special function. So this is the example of paste special. So what I am concerned with is that the values, I am concerned with the values, and these values which will be pasted, what will be pasted, the values, that is 12, 13, 14, those will be pasted over 1, those will be pasted over 1, and we'll be having we were working on the values. The values are 1, 2, 3, whatever the values are in there, and we'll be simply selecting the option multiply and then hit OK, and we'll have the multiplication table. So before ending the video, I will again like to stress on the thing that 12 when pasted over 1, the value gives 12. When pasted over 2, it value gives 12. But I am not concerned with just pasting the values, but I am taking the values which is already present in the cell, and I am taking that value within that cell, and then I am multiplicating with the paste special function and multiplying with the values which I just have copied. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.